Okay, hey everybody, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a quick video today because, man, not a whole lot to talk about. This is going to be such a pivotal weekend with Jumpin' Janet fail upwards, Yellen, and of course, Jerome Powell and the rest of the clown car are going to get together and have a meeting as far as how to fix the thing that they broke. And so you can't expect like bad news at the end of the weekend. There's going to be some kind of good news that comes out. So you don't really want to be short going into this. It's not really into the weekend, it's into Monday after a pivotal weekend like that we're going to get some kind of good news. But here's the question. Question is whether the market is going to perceive it to be good news. You know, those guys, love them or hate them, they really don't have much credibility. Janet Yellen flip-flops more than more than a fish on a sidewalk on a hot summer day in Las Vegas. She's all over the place saying, "Hey, will this work? Oh, well, how about that work? Well, hey, what do you think?" And so we just don't know what's going to come out, and that's why I think it's really important to be playing your cards close to the vest and don't be getting out there on the to mixed metaphors on the wild frontier too much. But with that said, if we look at the banking index, you can see that this thing this morning it gapped down and then virtually immediately turned around and started trading up. And so this is the market saying, we think this is going to be contained. Now, don't get too lathered up about it because the market has thought that before several times and it's not contained. This was a pretty good move though, and on twice average volume. And if you look at the weekly chart, you can see kind of more stabilization. But this is well outside the Bollinger Band complex, which is not supposed to happen too much. And if you look at this in 3 standard deviations, this almost like breaks a law of statistics when this trades that far out of the typical Bollinger Band complex. And you can certainly see how it is here. So my suggestion would be just watch this on Monday. And as far as just kind of for a trade, if it runs up above 44, I wouldn't be holding this overnight. But if it runs up over 44, see if you can get a few percent out of it. If you get like 3 or even 4%, that would be awesome in this kind of market. If you look though at stuff like Regions Financial, this is giving a better technical picture, and so it's something that that you want to watch. And also, what's that other one that I was just looking at? Not that one. Yeah, Regions Financial was really the one that I want to be looking at here. So you can check this out, see if that works. And then stuff like Wingstop is another stock that I'm looking at, not trading, don't own it, want to wait for a better setup. But there's stuff like this that I think really gives us some opportunities going into next week. But for now, for the most part, I'm just standing pat and, we'll see what happens. So, okay, members, over to the strategy session. I think it's about 25 minutes long, and I'm going into all of our trades, our open trades, which are all doing pretty well. So anyway, check that out. I'll see you guys next time.